Are you looking to replace your mid-2000 car radio? You already tried Bluetooth transmitter like this or like this, and you end up with a bunch of static or humming and hissing noises, and you're thinking about replacing radio? Well, give me 2 minutes and let me tell you why it's a bad idea to replace your radio and offer you a solution as well. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm here to show you why it's a bad idea to replace your car radio. Your mid-2000 car radio, this is before iPhone came along, it comes with navigational system and all the bells and whistles, but there's no Bluetooth and there's no auxiliary input. So and there's no CarPlay. So you must be looking for a way to connect to your iPhone to your car radio. Well, none of these Bluetooth transmitter will work. I'm sure you already know that. The reason why is because these things share the same power source as your car radio. It creates what is called a ground loop. Therefore, it's kind of like the feedback that you hear from microphone. You hear the hissing and humming noises from your car, from the car speakers when you drive the car and try to listen to your radio. The solution for that is you need to find a device like this. It's called a ground loop isolator. A ground loop isolator allows you to isolate the ground, which separates your power source and your ground. Therefore, eliminate the humming noise and the hissing noise. However, you won't be able to do that with a transmitter like this because these plug into the cigarette lighter directly, so it draws the power from the same battery as your car radio. On top of that, it's a bad idea to replace your car radio because most of a 2000 car, 2005, 2000 to 2005 car, they all come with a navigational system or computer integrated into your car stereo system. So these are like small computers, and they all integrated with sometimes with the climate controls and other features and options on your car. So it is a bad idea to replace a radio because you're messing with the electronic of the car or the ECU. These are not to be messed with because it actually requires a computer degree to know what is going on, and this is not something that your local Best Buy people can replace. So it is actually a very bad idea to try to replace your car radio. So here I have a solution for you. It is this, the Gizmo Guy gadget. Gizmo Guy gadget is developed for cars for late 2000 or for 2000, for cars around 2000 or mid 2000 that come with a navigational system or a computer system for sound stereo with a high-end stereo. Simply connect this device onto your iPhone and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your phone right through your car radio without a new head unit or any modification at all. Simply connect this device to your iPhone like this, and then you're ready to go. You're ready to listen to all your music, podcast, news, YouTube music from your phone right through your car radio without any modifications or a new head unit. So this is the easiest way to connect your new iPhone to your mid-2000 car radio. Simply connect this device to your car radio and you're ready to enjoy all your music and sound from your new phone, from your new smartphone, right through your mid-2000 car radio.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music, I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. I am the person behind this gadget, and this gadget is developed for your iPhone. And try it out. It comes with a full money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with it in any way, simply send it back, and you'll get your money back. Okay? This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.